Hey guys, we received this toilet cleaner brush for test and try. This is a toilet brush and the holder for dead corner cleaning, wall mounted toilet bowl brush for the bathroom decor or the toilet scrubber brush. So this comes with the two handle things that you can use. This is the stand itself that have the brush and you can easily store. The handle is easy to assemble, just like click, and then this is all plastic and then grip is good as well. So with the brush you can easily now grip and clean up things, and the brush is also like good for cleaning. As you can see, like the brush has the durable and long quality. So the total height with the stand is 15.7 inches, and the holder itself is 7.5 inches. So easy to hold and use and store. So here you can fix it with the screw, or you can use this and stick it there. So both can be used. So either you can stick it or you can nail it or screw it. So good to hold, and you can see like you can easily put this on this one and then put. So here I stick it on the bathroom wall, and now it's good to use. I can easily store it, like see, and then this works well. So cleaning is also pretty good, as you can see like the brush thing. So this really nice, and you can easily clean and use that brush. You can also clean it with the wash it with the water, and after the cleaning you can easily store it in the supplied stand. So with the 15.1 inches in the length, it's good to handle, ergonomic and non-slip handle. So it's a nice brush and easy to store and use.